Hello students, in this video of most important questions, derivation, I am going to discuss about the derivations from chapter number 7 to chapter number 16 over here. Here are the questions. Chapter number 7, wave optics question तुम्हाला दिसतील स्क्रीनवर. First one, with the help of neat diagram, explain the reflection of light on a plane reflecting surface. March 22 ला विचारलाय. किंवा अदर वर्ड्समध्ये और डिराइव द लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाईट युझिंग हायजन्स थिअरी. बघा हा किती इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. जुलै 22 ला पण विचारलं, फेब्रुवारी 23 ला पण विचारलेला आहे. सेकंड वन, ऑब्टेन अन एक्सप्रेशन फॉर पाथ डिफरन्स अँड फ्रिंज विथ ऑफ द इंटरफेरन्स पॅटर्न इन यंग्स डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट और शो दॅट द फ्रिंज विथ इज सेम फॉर कन्झिक्युटिव्ह ब्राईट अँड द डार्क बँड. Derive the conditions for bright and dark fringes produced due to diffraction by a single slit. Chapter number 8, Electrostatics. Obtain an expression for the energy stored in a charge condenser. Express it in different forms. Second question, obtain an expression for the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor without dielectric. Third one, obtain an expression for the potential energy of a dipole in an external field. Fourth one, find the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with dielectric slab between the plate. Fifth one, derive an expression for the electric potential due to an electric dipole. Chapter number 9, Current Electricity. Explain with neat circuit diagram how you will determine the unknown resistance using a meter bridge. Second one, give any two sources of errors in the meter bridge experiment. Explain how it can be minimized. Third one, describe with the help of neat circuit diagram how you will determine the internal resistance of a cell by using potentiometer. Derive the necessary formula. Describe how potentiometer is used to compare the EMF of two cells by the combination method. Chapter number 10, Magnetic fields due to electric current. Show that deflection produced in a moving coil galvanometer is directly proportional to the current flowing through the coil or vice versa. July 23 ला विचारलाय हा. Explain the construction and working of moving coil galvanometer. Third one, using Ampere's law, derive an expression for the magnetic induction inside an ideal solenoid carrying a steady current. Fourth one, show that two long straight parallel wires carrying current exert forces on each other. Derive the expression for the force per unit length of each conductor. Fifth one, using Biot-Savart's law, obtain the expression for magnetic induction near a straight infinitely long current carrying wire. Sixth one, derive an expression for axial magnetic field produced by a current in a circular loop. Chapter number 11, Magnetic Materials. Derive an expression for orbital magnetic moment of an electron revolving around the nucleus in an atom. State the formula for the Bohr magneton. July 22 आणि July 23 ला विचारलेला आहे. Second one, define magnetization. State its SI unit and dimension. Derive the relation between magnetic field intensity H, magnetization M for a magnetic material placed in a magnetic field. Chapter number 12, Electromagnetic Induction. First question, derive an expression for EMF E generated in a conductor of length L moving in uniform magnetic field B with uniform velocity V along x-axis. March 22 ला विचारलाय. Second one, derive an expression for energy stored in the magnetic field in terms of induced current. February 23 ला विचारलेला आहे. Chapter number 13, AC circuit. Derive an expression for the impedance of an LCR circuit connected to an AC power supply. Second one, obtain the expression for the resonant frequency of the LCR series circuit and explain electrical resonance in an LCR series circuit. Chapter number 14, dual nature of radiation and matter. First one, explain de Broglie wavelength. Obtained an expression for de Broglie wavelength of wave associated with material particle. March 22 ला आलाय. Chapter number 15, structure of atoms and nuclei. First one, derive an expression for radius of nth Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom. Second one, using the expression for energy for of the electron in the nth orbit, derive an expression for the wavelength associated with transition from mth orbit to the nth orbit. State the law of radioactive decay. Hence, derive the expression n is equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. Chapter number 16, Semiconductor Devices. Define alpha DC and beta DC. Obtain the relationship between them. It was asked for July 22. तर स्टुडंट्स, तुम्हाला हा जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर हा व्हिडिओ लाईक करायला विसरू नका. प्लीज शेअर दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन विथ युअर फ्रेंड्स सो दॅट दे कॅन ऑल्सो गेट बेनिफिटेड आउट ऑफ इट. त्याचप्रमाणे डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सबस्क्राईब आवर चॅनल. One more thing, I am going to come along with some more videos here after this. याच्या पुढचा आपला व्हिडिओ असेल ते हाऊ टू सॉल्व न्यूमरिकल्स अशा प्रकारचा असेल, आणि चॅप्टर वाईज काही इम्पॉर्टंट न्यूमरिकल्स जे असतात, जे सिम्पल आहेत, इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत, जे नॉर्मली विचारले जातात एक्झामला, ते मी तुम्हाला सॉल्व करून दाखवायचा इथे प्रयत्न करेन. थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग द व्हिडिओ.